She may be the face I can't forget, the taste of pressure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I had to pay. She may be the Sunday summer thing, maybe the shady autumn breeze, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the breeze, maybe the famine or the feast, bitter is staying to a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, the smiley feather in the street. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. Seems so happy in the crowd, whose eyes can be so bright and so proud. No one so longs to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, becomes in default shadows of the past that I remember till the day. I survive. Do I don't care for my life? Do I don't care for to the rough and ready years? Me take a life.